Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Transform your home into a green oasis with these stylish indoor plant decor ideas. In this video, we will explore the latest trends in indoor greenery, from hanging planters and plant walls to chic tabletop arrangements and statement floor plants. Whether you are a plant enthusiast or just starting to your indoor garden, these ideas will help you find the perfect way to incorporate plants into your home decor. Discover the best low maintenance plants, creative ways to display them, and tips to enhance your space with natural beauty. Here are a few ideas you might want to include. Number 1. Hanging planters. Utilize macrame hangers or sleek metal frames to display plants in a vertical arrangements. These save space and adds dimensions to a room. Number 2. Indoor plant walls. Create a lush green ancient wall with a variety of indoor plants, perfect for creating a natural calming ambience. Number 3. Tabletop arrangement. Stylish combination of succulents, cactus and small potted plants on coffee tables, dining tables or shelves for an instant green touch. Number 4. Corner plant displays. Use tall plants like fiddle leaf figs or snake plants to fill empty corners, adding heights and greenery to spaces. Number 5. Minimalistic pots. Highlight sleek, modern plant pots in neutral tones like black, white, or metallic finishes for a chic, understated look. Number 6. Glass jars. Showcase small plants or moss in glass containers to create beautiful low maintenance displays. Number 7. Larger indoor plants such as monstera, rubber plants, or plum placed in prominent spots can serve as natural focal points. Number 8, and the last one, is ideal for smaller plants like herbs or trailing vines, adding freshness and charm to kitchen or living room windows. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.